his mouth. Don't pull it out. Here it is going in his belly.
He likes it. Loves it.
Mm-hmm.
Is he drinking it all?
Yeah. See?
He likes it. He loves it.
Where is it?
He likes it.
I know, because where is it? Give it to me.
Did you hear him drinking?
Oh. Of course he has to burp. Of course he has to burp if he's drinking like the Benedetto tree.
And he wants to know where his food is.
He's drinking it.
Can't drink all of it, baby.
You can.
You used to drink like this too. You would drink it all down, but you would fall asleep faster than him.
Baby, you want to touch your bottle? He likes it.
Mm-hmm. Hold it.
I don't think he can hold it
Yeah,
yet.
he's not ready to hold it just yet.
He's ready.
Should we try to burp him?
Sure, I can burp him. But if I gotta burp, of course I can.
You need a burp cloth? There's one right there.
What do you think? Just my
Yeah,
food.
maybe he doesn't want to be burped right now. Maybe he just wants more food. Alright.
He probably will burp after 2 ounces.
Spin it a little bit up. Hi, Dee
Can you say hi to Mama too?
Hi, Mama.
You don't smile like that for me. Just
Yeah, a little booty-ish.
He likes it. It's your baby. Your brother. You like it? Oh, does he want to be burped again?
not yet. He needs to eat a little bit more.
Get his leg and kiss it.
She can't reach it.
He's gonna eat your face.
Oh, that was very nice, Danica.
Look at this baby.
Is he soft?
I'm gonna eat him.
No, don't you eat him.
Yum, 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 yum. Yum, yum, yum,
Be careful,
yum, yum.
Daddy. You don't want him to fall over.
Yum, yum,
You got him?
eating him.
Okay, that's enough eating him.
Okay, let him eat
Let him eat his...
his milk.
Just playing. Right?
Of course you are playing. You love him.
Good job helping, Danica.
Should we try to burp this time?
Yes, he's trying to burp. I'm gonna burp him now. Tag your rib. Tag on it. A burp on my shoulder. Which one's big enough to put this on?
How did I get this job?
You don't like to take pictures like me.
It's good,